iPhone 11 this 2023. And guys, recently nakita natin na may price drop sa Beyond the Box and nabili ko to for just 25,000 pesos ang 64 gig of RAM na brand new iPhone 11. And previously, this one is being priced at 37,000 and ang laki na kanyang price drop with a 12,000 peso discount. And in this video guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung if this phone, iPhone 11, is still okay for 2023. Kaya pa ba niya may pagsabayan sa mga mid-range na Android? Malalaman natin after this quick intro. So hi guys, ako pala si Richard ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So this is the iPhone 11 and nabili ko to sa Beyond the Box and it's also available sa Digital Walker for 25,000 pesos ang 64 gigs of RAM. If you want to know all the details, I'll be posting on the description box below. But before anything else, buksan muna natin. So yun guys, nabili natin tong phone na ito for just roughly 25,000 pesos sa Beyond the Box, or you can also buy this from Digital Walker. And grabe guys, sobrang sulit to. It's the iPhone 11, brand new, 64 gig, and I can say it's pretty much sealed. And of course, you can buy it at a very, very special rate for 25,000 pesos. This is the original price before, but it's especially marked down as of the moment. So right now, samahan niyo ako. Buksan muna natin siya, no? So yes, it's pretty much sealed the way it should be. And yeah, you can buy this online, offline. Depende sa inyo, no, guys. So yeah, it's the color white here. It's very premium. Yeah, like any iPhone. So you have dalawang camera modules dito. Had the LED flash over here. Then the Apple logo is here. And taking a quick phone tour lang dito. Loudspeaker, lightning port, of course, kanyang microphone in. And on the other side, you have your ringer toggle and your volume rockers. Sa ibabaw, malinis. And on the other side, kita natin may antenna band siya and of course your power button plus your SIM tray which can support isang nano SIM na 4G. Pagbukas natin ng SIM tray, you can see that this one supports a nano SIM na 4G. And of course, yung notch of front-facing camera is here. You have your standard C to lightning cable over here and you have all of your documentation dito and of course, my favorite Apple stickers here. What I'm using mostly is this one from MOMAX. It's a PD charger na 20 watts. Saktong-saktuhan lang to para sa aking iPhone 11. Itong phone na ito is equipped with the Apple A13 na Bionic chip. It's a 7nm na processor. And before, nung unang labas nito, it started with the iOS 13. Now, naka-update ako up to 16.1 and right now, meron pa nga siyang update 16.1.1. So, definitely sa kanyang software update, up to date itong iPhone 11. Now, one good thing na gusto ko dito sa iPhone is pwede mo i-bold yung text and pwede mo i-adjust yung mga text size. Palakihin mo. This is very friendly lalo sa mga people na medyo mas malabo mata. And of course, okay din to para sa mga people who are mas nakaka-senior sa atin. So, another thing na gusto ko dito sa kanya display, meron siyang True Tone. So, ina-adapt ni iPhone ang kanya display. Depende sa lighting conditions, no? Para if you're watching videos, mas okay, mas enjoyable and more immersive. And pag hindi mo kailangan, well, mag-auto-calibrate siya pababa if you don't really need it. Now, pwede mo rin i-display zoom ang iyong mga text when you need it. Now, running all of those apps dito sa phone na ito, kayang-kaya. I mean, 16.1 sa A13 na chip, kayang-kaya pa rin naman niya i-process lahat ng mga kailangan gawin dito sa phone na ito. Be it watching videos dito sa mga social media, sa Facebook, sa TikTok, sa Instagram, sa Twitter, kayang-kaya niya, walang problema. Kahit 60Hz pa yan, well, okay na okay pa rin ang display. Now, checking sa videos here sa TikTok would be like this. Smooth na smooth siya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Now, itong App Store is always up to date. It has everything that you need for an iPhone. Hindi naman siya mas konti, no? Dahil, well, it's 3 years back na phone. But it can run basically any apps na nagsusupport ng 16.1. We have Disney Plus, we have PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, and other apps na gusto nyo gamitin dito. Kayang-kaya na patakbuhin. Pati mga educational app ng kids, pwedeng-pwede dito. It also has Apple TV and podcast should you need it. Now, ang kanyang maps dito is also working perfectly. Wala namang nakitang problem dito while using it to navigate me around the city. Okay na siya. Now, let's talk a little bit about yung kanyang display. This is nothing really new, no? Dahil it's a liquid retina IPS LCD. Ang maximum brightness niya is up to 625 nits. But under the bright sunlight, kaya pa rin mo mabasa. I don't think there's any problem with it. Ang size ng kanyang screen, 6.1 inch, and screen to body ratio is around 80% dahil ang laki na kinakain ng notch. Now, ang likod nito is glass protected, sabi daw Corning Gorilla, and of course sa harap is Corning Gorilla glass din. And sa side mo is metal aluminum frames. And itong phone na ito is tama lang kanyang bigat, 194 grams. It's almost the same sa mga mid-ranger these days na Android. And itong phone na ito supports Apple Pay via Visa, Mastercard, Amex na card, though hindi lang siya masyado sikat dito sa Pilipinas. Sa ibang bansa, yes, oo. Now, up-to-date din naman itong phone na ito dahil pwede siya makipag-pair sa mga iWatch na latest doon dahil support ng app na ito para keep track of your health. Checking Antutu benchmark, ito naman ang score na nakuha natin. And max out naman siya sa wildlife. Now, itong phone na ito supports all of your Google apps na favorite, Google Chrome, Google Drive, and it also supports other Google services na kailangan ninyo on a daily basis. Nga probably the only thing na ayaw ko lang sa iOS is kailangan mo enter ng password mo every time na mag-download ka ng isang app na bago sa iyo. So ganito itsura niya no? While it's downloading the app, installing, may animation siya which is cute. So using Chrome, so it's acts like any normal na phone na can run Google Chrome. So you can access everything here like Facebook, YouTube, and well, just simply browsing through the web. Let's just simply check NBA.com okay, to get the latest news sa basketball. So okay naman siya for browsing. So dito natin makikita ang latest drama ni Kyrie Irving. So na-download na Google Drive natin. Well, it's very easy. Kailangan mo lang mag-sign in if you need it. And of course, once you sign in, you can use it normally to access all of your apps and documents na naka-store dito sa Google Drive ninyo. And another thing na siguro medyo nakakatamad sometimes ito sa iPhone is pag-clear ng apps. Wala siyang single button, clear all. All you need to do is swipe until maubos lahat ng apps mo and mag-close. Like what I just did. Now, pagdating naman sa camera performance, this one has two camera modules. 12MP na main lens na may OIS, and 12MP na ultra-wide lens na may aperture 2.4. Now, it can record up to 4K 60fps, which is, of course, kayang makipagsabayan sa mga 2022 na phones na could have this feature. And of course, it's also not available sa mga mid-ranger phones, by the way. And sa harap niya, it's also a 12MP na aperture 2.2 na front-facing camera. Also can record up to 4K 60fps. Now, checking some of these shots, I can say I'm still impressed with the camera of this phone. So outdoors, was really getting me some of these nice and of course punchy shots. Clear sila and of course madali mag-focus like any iPhones naman na nagamit natin. And taking indoors, I can say na well, okay, maganda naman ka ng mga shots. The usual, I don't really expect anything less from a iPhone na could perform at this level. And checking some selfies, bokeh, and normal shots, everything is definitely a-okay. Now, I need to use the front camera to take in some vlogs and check this out. So guys, this is the resolution that you'll be getting from the iPhone 11 for year 2022. And I can say that it's still it's still good, and I can say the resolution is still at par with probably the mid-ranger of 2022 for Androids. And I can say the experience is still nice. iPhone 11 for 2022 is still good. And mga modes na dito sa kanyang camera is everything still okay. Updated pa rin naman. Time-lapse, slow-mo, video, photo, portrait, and panoramic. Now, taking video, and this one can use the ultra-wide na camera, taking video, which most mid-ranger na Android cannot do. And zooming it in, back to 1x, ganito yung tsura niya, and you can zoom up to 3 times zoom. Now, if you ask me itong Apple AirPods Pro na 2nd gen would work here sa iPhone 11, definitely kayang-kaya. And some of the widgets na I really love dito sa iPhone na iOS 16, meron dito sa iPhone 11. Like yung mga weather na widget and of course yung mga photo na widget. Okay, panalo pa rin. Now, ang battery nitong phone na ito is 3,110 mAh and support up to 18 watts of fast charge. And it also supports wireless charging, by the way. And this one can, well, last me naman throughout the day on normal usage. But kung medyo heavy user ka, well, I don't think it would last you through a day. Now, probably one of the best things na pwede mong gawin dito sa phone na ito is to watch video dahil sobrang sarap manood na video dito. Probably the only thing na medyo sagabal lang talaga is yung kanang notch na medyo malaki. Now, playing some games like the Call of Duty Mobile, kayang-kaya pa rin niya makipagsabayan. Ngayon guys, nakita na natin performance ng iPhone 11 for this 2023. And I can tell you na this one can still stand up to any of those mga high-end na mid-range phone, na mga Androids. Probably hindi na niya kaya maipagsabayan sa mga flagship. But what's nice dito sa kanya is kaya pa niya maipagsabayan sa mga sikat na mid-range phone na mga Android. And if you're asking me kung okay pa ba to for 2023, definitely is a big yes from me. And if you're planning to buy one of this phone, pwede nyo i-visit si Digital Walker or Beyond the Box sa kanilang offline store. Or if you want to go for the online shopping, I'll be linking all their official links on the description box below. And I got this for 25,000 pesos, which is a huge discount from 37,000 pesos. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to share sa inyong mga friends. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo na yung bell icon para di nyo ma-miss mga future uploads here from my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.